Right. It's already pointing. I'm already pointing it in the wrong direction. Let's see what happens. I'm hoping for something good to happen. Should be clean enough. Yeah. I wanted it to go there, but the way I cut the wood, it's gonna go there and get caught up in all those trees. So yeah, we'll see. I'll cut it from the bottom because I have too much on. Finally, one that goes in the direction I want it to go to. That was quick. Ooh, I did quite a bit already this morning, but this one was the biggest one I've done so far. Oh yeah, perfect.